Technology Center?
Yes, my name's Aveion. How may I help
Hi.
you?
I just bought a 2017 Lexus RX350. Can you help me with my audio and communication system?
It will be my pleasure.
Great.
Let's go. Where did you park
Oh,
your car?
just right outside.
Okay. So let's go this way. Well, congratulations with your new 2017 Lexus RX.
Thank you.
Great. Welcome to the family, by the way.
Thank you. I'm so excited.
Great. So you had a few questions about your entertainment and audio system, correct?
Yes.
Well, I'll be able to assist you with those things. The first thing I'd like you to do is pair your phone to the car.
Okay.
Great. So open your phone, go to
Okay.
settings in Bluetooth.
Okay, so settings and Bluetooth. Okay.
Go ahead and make sure your Bluetooth is on.
Okay.
Great. And now on the left-hand side of your steering wheel, there's a off hook button. Go ahead and press that button. And using your remote touch, I would like you to select yes. Great. What you see happening now is that the car is taking data from your phone, so all your contacts should pop up in there, also all your audio. So all the music you have in your phone, if you want to use Pandora or Spotify, you can also use those through the system.
Okay.
And I'll show you that just in a second. So now that we paired your phone to the car, now I can show you how to use your hands-free technology to access everything from your phone through your car.
Great.
If you see, now all your contacts are transferred into the car.
I see that.
So now you can just easily press your voice command button and make a call through the car.
Okay.
The way you do that is you just hold the voice command button and then you can just say call any person you would like to go through your contacts. Also, did you know you can send text messages?
Okay.
The way you send a text message, you hold the off hook button on your car and then you just voice who would you like to text. Go ahead and try it.
Okay. Text Ashley.
What do you want to say to Ashley?
I love my new Lexus.
You're saying, I love my new Lexus. Ready to send it?
Yes, send.
I'll send your message.
Great, that was easy. So now that you've done that, you also had a question about your audio system, correct?
Yes.
I'll show you some very cool ways of accessing audio, very reliable and fast. There's 3 different ways you can get to your audio system. You can do it from your steering wheel, you can do it from the front of your car, also using your remote touch. Now that I showed you how to, make a call or send out a call or send a text through the car, I want to show you how to use your audio system.
Great.
Did you know you have a Mark Levinson system?
What is that?
Well, Mark Levinson is a company very known for audio systems, very expensive audio home entertainment systems, but they pair with Lexus. We're the only other automobile make and manufacturer that has Mark Levinson's inside of them. That's amazing, right? There's 15 different speakers in 12 different locations of this vehicle to give you the most optimal sound quality possible.
Wonderful.
Yes, so let me show you how that works in your car.
Great.
Using your remote touch, I would like you to select a radio.
Okay.
And what do you listen to the most?
I want to say FM.
Okay, so go ahead and select source at the top
Okay.
and choose FM. And let me show you how to save a preset. What is your favorite radio station?
92.3.
92.3. So using your tune scroll, you will scroll until you get to 92.3.
There you
All
go.
right, so now that's your favorite station and it's already selected on number 1. I want you to hold the enter button on the side until you hear a beep.
Okay.
And now
Great.
you saved the station.
Oh, nice.
Great. So now that we saved some presets and all your presets that you like are inside the car, another convenient way to access those presets and also switch to different sources of music is through your steering wheel. On the left hand side, you can press the mode button
Okay.
and it'll switch your audio source.
Okay.
As you see, it's now on Bluetooth, and if you press it again, it's on aux, and press it one more time for me. Great, and those are the presets you saved. Using the up and down arrows on your steering wheel, you are now able to access those conveniently.
Oh, that's so helpful.
So I hope I was helpful helping you understand your audio and communication system.
You did actually. I was having a problem having my phone communicate with my vehicle, so now I understand better.
Well, great. So you can find me anytime at the Technology Center, and I'll always be here to help you and assist you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations on your purchase again. We
Thank
appreciate
you so
so much.
Thank you.